Hi everyone. So if you guys are also preparing for the campus placement, I believe you are well aware about the brand Mercedes. And it is a luxurious brand in automobile manufacturing, vehicles, cars, electric vehicles, and a lot of things are there. If this particular company is also visiting your campuses, what you need to be prepared, let me tell you. See, first of all, you need this is important content. These are the important pointers you need to be prepared about this company, its profile, this company, its top management, products and services, and core business verticals. So here in this is the detailed documentation which you can take out from your PDF panel, and it is containing all the relevant pointers. This is first of all Mercedes-Benz. This is an India Private Limited, wholly subsidiary hai of Mercedes-Benz Group and AG Germany. It has been founded in 1994. यू कैन से इट आउट एंड हेड क्वार्टर है इसके पुणे महाराष्ट्र में. ये कुछ 3-4 इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें जो आपको प्रिपेयर करनी है वेरी इंपॉर्टेंटली. Then these are the some important pointers are lined up here about its most of the its maximum sales fiscal year 2024-25. ठीक है, its key models, what has been included in the key models of Mercedes. टॉकिंग अबाउट मेजर हिस्टोरिकल्स, ये कैसे एक्सपैंड किया है इसने ओवर द इयर्स. 1994 में इनकॉर्पोरेट हुआ, देन इट हैज बीन क्रॉस 30,000 यूनिट्स एंड नाउ दिस हैज बीन एक्सपेंडेड ओवरली. कोर बिजनेस है इसके, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है, पैसेंजर व्हीकल सेल्स है, आफ्टर सेल सर्विस, फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज है, रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट है. टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रोडक्ट्स एंड सर्विसेज, आपको प्रोडक्ट्स मेजरली पता होंगे दैट वी ऑल आर यूजिंग. ठीक है, एंड वी आर ऑल ऑब्सेस्ड विद द प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ मर्सिडीज बेंज ग्रुप ऑफ कोर्स. सेडान्स, इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स, performance, flagship, mobility and connected car solutions. These are the major products and services. Top management mein, you just need to be aware who is the CEO. That is Santosh Iyer is the director and you can say CEO of this company. Current initiative, it has been expanded in network expansion, customer experience इन्होंने enhance किया है, new models को launch किया है products के, ठीक है, electrification. Then top end vehicle segments growth, of course, retail of future model, and it has been invested in digital and R&D also, right? Then of course current news, you should be aware about the current you can say highlights of this company. Whenever you are preparing for any company, specifically for this also, आपको current से related चीजें जरूर पता होनी चाहिए, right? Then it comes to the important interview questions. So there are 3 major questions always need to prepare. What do you know about this particular company, that is Mercedes? Why do you want to join that, and how you're going to be contribute in that? So this is all about which you need to prepare in detail. So you can take out this documentation from your PDF and you can prepare with your PDF mentors. All the best.